Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. Today actually is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, and yeah, yesterday the market showed us some flames. We saw actually the market trying to recover, which means actually the dollar is getting weaker, a little bit weaker, by the way. But we will see what will happen today. And remember, on Friday we have NFP. There is NFP. Things might start to push higher or things might change, right? So, and yeah, we will just check what's really happening. Remember, this week actually I will be busy on the development of my robot, which is called Prime. We're not going to have our live sessions, so I'll be busy with that. So yeah, and I think it will be ready before Friday, next week Friday, before next week Friday. Oh, but I will still update you. I will still update you because the robot actually has to work much better as we're going to test it several times. So if you already purchased the robot, you find, guys, you're going to get that. So the robot is specifically actually for MetaTrader 5, which actually it will able to trade VIX, everything. Actually it has to trade everything, Nasdaq, gold, whatever it has to. So yeah, because you know what we did before was we tried to modify some previous actually some robots that we got actually, and the performance was not actually, they were good but not as good as I wanted. So I have to change things up and do my own thing now from ground up, actually from scratch. I think I also already sent a video about this. So we're doing something for ourselves now. So this is the new beginning for us, and I'm very happy for that. So whoever who's going to get that, yeah, let's hope that we're going to we're going to change things up. You know, sometimes, yeah, in life we change, guys. There are stages where we start to change. You know me at this level, but just know that we're not going to stay here longer. We're not going to stay at the same level forever. So we need to change. We need to upgrade. So yeah, I hope to see you changing from now on. Next month, next year, we need to see some improvements, right? And has to start now, right? We need to see some improvement. So now my first improvement will be the development of this robot. Actually, it's called Prime. So yeah, things have to change. Things have to change. We need to eat. Yes, we also have to take some risk. If you are not willing to take some risks, then that's your problem. We're going to take those risks. We're going to face those problems. But at the end of the day, we will be improving, and yes, we're going to win. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. Yesterday, the market just punched us in the face, but not that bad, especially when you apply the risk management, right? If you applied your risk management, I think you did not just cry as much, because there's days that we're going to lose, or there's weeks where things they're not going to go nice. But last week I think things were just moving very nice and we were eating. So yeah, let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on the market. So as you know, we'll start with Bitcoin. What's really happening on Bitcoin? Yesterday we saw the markets actually trying to recover, but it's a different story on Bitcoin. We thought maybe it's gonna push up, but I don't see anything. The market is still respecting this downtrend. You can see the market is still going down. I don't see any breakout or something. So, but the best thing that we can do is to let's try to go a little bit closer. Let's try to go a little bit closer and see what's really happening. So yeah, I see that yesterday actually I did not see any big move. Actually, the market is just consolidating around that area, but maybe the reason behind that is if you see this closer, you will see that we are on a wedge. The market is now compressing on this point, and then after maybe the market will break and we can say, okay, maybe the market is ready to buy. Maybe that will happen, or maybe the market has to break this support area, and maybe we'll say, okay, now it's time to do what, to continue with the sell, as we've been on this downtrend for quite some time now. But for now, it's that time where you just have to relax and wait for the market to do its thing. wait for the market to do its own thing. Sometimes it's better just to wait and see what is really happening on the market. Quite similar to what we see here on German 30, German 40. What's really happening is, yes, we are actually on a very strong actually downtrend, very strong downtrend. But along the way, guys, we are going to have moves like this where the market acts like it's recovering. Yes, we can still take those, but at the end of the day, we know that the market can still continue with that downtrend. Yes, we are still on that downtrend. So let's go a little bit closer there and try to see what's really happening. The market yesterday actually showed us that, you know what, I can still recover. You can see that we did have a very nice resistance which the market was respecting. Unfortunately, we were not just going to buy when the resistance was very close. Yes, some they did buy maybe and they made something, which is fine. So but currently, since the market broke out of this counter resistance here, we can say, you know what, we can have a quick, sorry, I'm not supposed to remove that. We can have actually a hit and run trade. A hit and run means that you can just get in a trade, just buy, get out very quickly. Why? The reason behind that is the trend, we go in against the trend, but there is an opportunity that we can still take. Hit and run, it means you take in the trade. We know that we are on a downtrend, but you can buy very quick and get out as wherever you want to get out, as long as you made something, because there is enough chance that the market can still push up before pushing lower. I hope you understand that. But if maybe you are not familiar with that, you can just stay out and relax, and maybe you can wait for the market to reach this area before maybe the market continuing going down, bouncing back, or maybe the market breaking out of that resistance. But if not, you know what to do. You just have to relax. If you understand these things, you can just smash that actually hit and run, and the market might try to push up. When it tries to goes back, you can just get out. You can just get out. So yeah, simple as that. You don't really have to fight the market. If you feel like it's not safe, yeah, relax. You are not forced to take the trades. So yeah, now what we see here is we are on gold. So what's really happening, guys, is we have a very nice structure, which was actually a nice downtrend. A very nice downtrend. The market was doing what? The market was going down. Yes, I think we know that we also have, we also have that downtrend, which is very strong on top there. I think it is still there actually, but it's still a bit far. I think it's something like this. What? It's something like that. So if the market gets out of that, then we are ready to do what? To buy. So let me just go closer there, because I think you're not going to see that. That's why I did a buy pending order around that area. Let me, yeah, something like this. So I hope maybe you can see this. So I did a nice buy pending order above that area. So if the market keeps pushing up, it will find our order and we can just smash that. But you know what? It seems like maybe the dollar is losing that momentum. And if that happens, yes, we are ready to change the direction. We've been going actually down for quite some time now. Then this was a very nice downtrend, and which was actually pushing lower for some time. Maybe this will change during the day or during the week or even the month. Then maybe we'll start to see the market doing what? Maybe the market trying to push to the upside. And we also want that, because now the market is getting sketchy, especially when we are like on this crazy downtrend for some time. So you don't actually know where will the market try to bounce back and stuff like that. So, but when the market does change the trend, sometimes it makes our job very easy, and we can hold on another trend before the other trend changes. So please don't forget to smash that subscribe button. So what do we see here? It's also quite straightforward, or quite similar to other structures that we saw already. What's really happening on US oil is we are still on a downtrend. We are still on this downtrend. But the market is showing us that, you know what, even if I'm on a downtrend, I can still push up. Like examples is this one, example is this one, example where the market actually does what? The market pushes up, pushes up, then we can take that chance, but we don't really have to hold longer. If you are in the group, I hope you understand this. Whatever that the signal that I've sent in the group, it's because this is a good opportunity for a small buy, not a long-term buy, because the market can change anywhere as we are still on a downtrend. So which means that we can just hit and run. Once you make that profit, try to get out, because we are actually going against the trend. But what's really happening is, yes, as I said, we're going against the trend. It means the trend is still pushing lower. You see, we're going to have that confidence if the market breaks this resistance and start to push the upside. We will say, okay, now the market is showing us that it's changing the trend. But for now, the market might be refreshing, then the market might still go lower. Refresh, go low. You see, that's what I see, and that's what I think it might happen. So whatever that you see there, we are still on downtrend, but we just have to smash that before the market pushes lower again. I hope you understand that. I hope you understand. Let's push. Yeah, you see, we also have quite similar structure here on US30. So what's really happening is, yes, we are still, actually, all these markets were just going down. Most of them, they were going down, except the dollar was very, very, very strong. So what's really happening here is, we have a resistance and support there. Then the market actually, or we can just go closer. What I'm going to do is, yes, we can still smash US30 and run as a hit and run. Actually, we can do something like that and say, you know what, if the market breaks this area, we can still buy, but we still understand that the market is actually on a downtrend. But when we buy, we don't have to buy and forget, because the market can still turn anywhere. So it means the market can reach this area before pushing lower. So it means if you bought, you can get out before we even reach our resistance, as the market is still on a downtrend. Maybe the market wants to recover, we don't know. But if maybe that is the point, it's fine. Then we can have our nice buy around this area. We can have our nice buy somewhere there. Buy pending order, then get out whenever you want to get out. As long as you can make profit there, I think I'll have to send this signal in the group if the market breaks this resistance. So it means the market will be trying to push to the upside. So yeah, that's what I see. So yeah, but still, it's not like we're forgetting that we are on a downtrend. Unless if the market pushes up and breaks this area, then we can say, okay, now the market is getting out. We can go on a full force and say, you know what, maybe now it's time to eat, and yeah, something like that. But still, remember, this Friday we have NFP. Things might change very quick and go to the lowest side. Things might change very, very quick. So I hope you understand that. So let's push to Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq is also giving us those flames. Yesterday, it was that day where we missed Nasdaq, but we used to eat. It's not like maybe we're gonna cry about that. If you cry about that, no, just know that actually you're not supposed to be in this industry, because there are still those days where we're going to miss. So what's really happening is, the market actually, if I can draw something here, we had something there. As you can see, that was a support area, which looked like the market actually broke out, and that actually the market broke out. Instead of the market continue keeping up or going down, the market came back again, and even now you can see that the market is back on that actually ranging move. So let's try to draw that and see where the market is now. So it means we can say, if the market will try to break out of that, if the market will try to push out of this area, to push out of this resistance, we can say, yeah, now maybe we're ready to do what? To buy, because we were not going to buy here when we know that we are on a downtrend. You can even see the market was just going down. So it means we're not going to just play like that. We can rather wait for the market to break this area, and we can say, yes, maybe the market is ready to push up, but we still understand that, yes, the market is still on that downtrend. Maybe this as the market sold like aggressively, maybe the market wants to adjust this trend before selling again. That is also possible. The market can still reach that area, The market can still reach this area before maybe pushing lower again. Yes, there is a chance for the market to break out and push up. Remember, the market has been selling for some time, so it means there is a very, very nice room for the market to recover, or for the market to buy. So there is a chance for the market to push to the upside. But we're not like we know what will the market do. We will just follow the market structure. We'll just follow the market structure. We don't have to guess. We don't have to act like we know everything. No. Whatever that we see there is what we're going to follow. Saying that, oh, the market is going to reach this point 1, 2, 3, that is not the way we do things. That way we'll be guessing. So the best thing is to follow the market structure. If we lose, it's fine. We're going to take that. If we win, it's also fine. We're going to take that as a bonus. So yeah, I hope maybe you got everything right. So thank you very much, guys. So for those who wants to join the team, there are my packages. And then remember, guys, for this week, actually, I'm going to be busy with the robot and stuff like that. So I will be updating everyone actually next week about the robot, where actually about the results, how it operates and stuff like that. So, but if you want the signals, there is the packages that you can just WhatsApp me and talk to me if you want to be part of Xtrahot Forex. So thank you very much, guys. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.